got off work today and it's 90 degrees out. I came out to my truck, which is a 2006 F-150, by the way. Turn on the AC, and I'm pretty sure you can hear it running, but if you go to 3, 2, 1, it shuts off. Nothing. 2, 3, 4, it comes back on. So, pretty sure a lot of you already know what it is. For those who don't know, stick around and find out. I'm sure there's a lot of videos out there that tell you how to fix that problem. So, if you don't know what it is, I hope it helps you out. My AC only works on high, which is 4. See, it's on 1 right now, it's not blowing. 2, not blowing. 3, not blowing. Then 4 comes on. Turn it down, nothing.
Yeah.
So hopefully today we're gonna fix that problem. So this job is pretty easy to do, guys. It should only take a few minutes. Pretty much you open the glove box, right here to the side, you just push right there. There's a little tab there that catches on, you push and it drops down, and that right there is your blower motor resistor. 2 bolts, I believe they're 8 millimeters. So shouldn't be that hard to replace. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the connector right here. It's a little tab on the bottom. I use my other hand. There it is right there. I just got to remove those 2 bolts. I don't know if I'll be able to do it while recording. And you just pull this out. And I just dropped it. Here it is.
What do you found?
We'll see if this fixes a problem. Here's the new one. I ordered it from Amazon. It's supposed to be a OEM part. Paid $22 for it. There's the part number. $22 on Amazon. It is right there. That's the new part. Looks like the same part number and everything. So connectors are the same. put it back on there. See if it works. Okay, here we go. Just goes in like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put these two bolts back on, and I'll get back with you in a second. It's nothing to it, just reverse what you did when you were taking it off. Common sense. Hold on. There it is. It's already back on. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it back in, and then we're gonna try it out, see if it works. There you go. It's plugged back in now. I'm gonna try it out now, see if it works. And this is my new driver. Are you gonna drive? You wanna drive? Yeah.
I'm going to start to be.
Okay. All right. We're gonna turn the key. Okay. So there it is. This one is blowing. Hope you can hear it. 2, 3, 4,
5.
3, 2, 1. Problem fixed. No, you cannot draw on that. Okay, now all you just gotta do is just close the glow box. Just push in. It's on. Back on. OEM part motorcraft from Amazon for $22. I had to do is wait 2 days for delivery, and problem fixed. All the speed work now. So all you need is an 8mm ratchet or socket or wrench or whatever, and you can do this yourself. There's no need for spending hundreds of dollars on having someone else to do it when you can do this yourself. Only takes about 10 minutes at the most, if that. 10 minutes.